mini cakes.
Mini cakes. I've been seeing them all over, and I really want to make one. But we're not gonna make them from scratch. I did buy cake mix.
Cheating a little.
Yeah, we're cheating a little, just a little bit. We're gonna make 3 cakes. So let's. Okay. Let's just put it.
I'm just opening mine.
Let me just do it.
I had it.
Oh. Oh, that looks so good. Okay.
And you only need 3 ingredients for this, guys.
Yeah. Let's put more water. I feel like that was so good. She got the strawberry one, and I got the chocolate. I think it's kind of like drippy. So, I don't know. We'll see. It smells so good. Whipping them up. In the kitchen, I'm doing like a stir fry. In the kitchen. Wait. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Slow down, yeah. Slow down. Let's slow down. We preheated the oven, and now it's time to pop 1, 2, 3 in the oven. Guys, we're watching how to do it because we don't trust ourselves. So this is the vibe that we're going for, and hopefully we succeed. Right now, the cakes are gonna bake for like 40 minutes, right? Yeah. So we're just gonna wait. It's so soft. So soft? Yeah. I wish we made these into cupcakes. No, we should have. Okay, let's tear this part out. Oh, I think I'll actually do this first cake. Now it's frosting time, and I got this from the store, but it's too thick. So we're gonna whip it.
Now I'm going to make my frosting.
Tell me why you're crying, now can it be? Yeah.
Food coloring. This color I'm going for.
It just took it out. Okay.
Start decorating.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to you.
Hey guys, this is mine. I'll be back when we are decorating them. My frosting into a bag, piping bag. I'm gonna do pink, red, and green. Boop. Hey guys, so now we're gonna
Decorate.
yeah. So what vibe are you going for?
I'm going for like flowers, just like the spring vibe.
Oh my god.
It's so nerve-wracking because this is like the actual cake.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to do.
Scrape mine. I'm just gonna scrape it. Where's the? So this is this is how mine is looking so far. It's giving sun. This is Sharika's. Actually looks good. This is actually hard. Let's see. I don't think it's that. Oh. I'm just gonna redo it. And never too late to start over. That's a sign. It's never too late to start over. You can always start over. Not sure this video will say. Hey guys, we are finally done with our cakes.
That took a long time.
It took a long time. What time did we start?
We started like 5.
5.
8 p.m. right now.
Yeah, never again. I'm just gonna stick to my buying cakes and making cupcakes, okay? So I'm gonna show you mine.
Yours actually came out really good.
Yeah, you see why I said it again? This is mine. It's cute. It's pretty cute. Okay, Sherry, show me yours.
This is mine.
Super cute. I love the colors.
Yeah, I went for like a light green, like purple, and then like the flowers at the top.
Guys, TikTok really made me think I could make this cake, and like
It's gonna be so easy.
so easy, so simple. They lied. They lied. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am tired. I'm going to bed because I'm tired. And rate our cakes. Which is your favorite cake?
What do you guys think is the best, hers or mine?
Yeah. Bye guys. Catch you guys in my next video. Mwah.